40% off, 110 down to $36, $36, 130, another 40 off on top. But definitely a great place to get Crocs. Look at this, $15 for these, $40, freaking crazy, holy cow. Back to one of my favorite stores, but do gotta check East LA Nike Community Store because 40% off the back wall. Yep, 40% off the back wall. Just saw someone pick up a bunch of these right here. Well, I just saw a bunch of Jordan boxes. But yeah, 40% off, 110. So that's 60 something. I paid 40 something for mine. Wait, I paid 40. These are also going for 105, 40% off. And then Green Glow is going for 80 here. Got plenty of sizes and a plethora of Jordan 1s, including these yellow ochres, black and white. Now we're seeing these in multiple outlets, holy cow. 70 for the Zion 3s right here. These are gently worn. Low cage right here, 75. Damn, I got all excited. These are size 11 right here. Damn, they raised the price 125 and then it went back to 140. Probably because the 40 off. Invincible runs right here go for 110. Go Fly Ease right here, size 10, $90. More Zions right here, 75 gently worn. Flight 95s go for 80. Cosmic Unity 3s go for 80. Remember, all 40% off. GT Jump 2s, this is what I'm looking for in my size, especially at that price range, 90, 30 off. That's a size 7 though. Vaporfly Next Percents right here, size 9, 260. We got these Union Cortez right here, go for 80. Jordan 2 size 10 right here, 110. So is that $60? $50? What's this, 140, size 11. Look at this, $60. And the women's right here, this is a 10.5 right here. So these are down to what, $36, $36, holy cow. Another one right here, down to 75. Air Max 1s go for 70, slightly imperfect though. Nothing that works for me in the women's size, unfortunately, dang it. In the women's section. Size 7.5, look at this. 130, another 40 off on top, holy cow, holy cow. 40% off apparel as well, look at this. Look at this, $21, so 40 off, that's gonna be what, 13 bucks? $13. Tech Fleece, still too much, still too much. Not much in the refurbished clothing in the size small though, dang it. Because that's where you get the really, really good deals. Tech Fleece 65, that's actually a really good deal. There's XL and double XL, or double XL and triple XL. That's a hell of a price, holy cow. 40% off on top. Now, this is what I'm talking about, $63. 40 off on top. This is Tech Fleece right here. Is this discolored though? Oh yeah, it is. It's discolored. So yeah, slightly imperfect on that one. Look at how discolored it is. I need t-shirts and stuff. I don't wear too many graphic tees though. Dang it. Now we're at the Foot Locker outlet, just a block away. I'm with Stan. We've been talking for like 20 minutes. All right, let's go see what's up here. And if you guys are new to the channel, 50% off almost everything here at the Foot Locker outlet. And that means these go down to $7.50. Champion sneakers for $7.50. This is a hilarious gift. That's a hilarious gift. Give that to a sneakerhead, only costs $7.50 for a gag gift. That's freaking hilarious. The Human Race slides right here, look at this, $10? $10? These retail for $100. $100 down to $10 freaking dollars. You could get some clean Reeboks right here. Obviously these ain't nothing hyped up or nothing, but $15? Especially if it's a person that don't care. Look at this, $15. Really? Club seats for $15. That is freaking crazy. Really? If y'all like Hey Dudes or you need to dress up for work, $17.50. If you need to dress up for work, that's what's up. I'm so glad I don't have to do that. And I mean dress up for work, not go to work, because I do work. But yeah, $20. for classic leathers right here. Romas, we've seen those quite a few times. Trey Young's going for 25. Top 10's 25. These are classic nylons, right? Classic nylons, 25. Superstars, $25. Multiple superstars. And then even got the Gill Zeros right here, the Resto mods. This is an interesting colorway. You know, you gotta have some flavor to sport this for $25. I like the metal. I really like that bronze right there. $25, dude, $25. This one right here, I believe I do got that one. $25 for Reeboks right here. Reebok Shaq Victories. RSX right here. What Under Armour are these? What Under Armour? Bryce Harper's? Bryce Harper's right here going for $27.50. Speaking of Under Armour, they still got these for 50, what is this, 57 or $55, my bad. $55 right here. Curry 11s, right? These are the Curry 11s. $55, definitely a solid deal. Backpacks right here, $20 for Nike backpacks. Got these Adidas backpacks right here. These look pretty decent. Higher quality than the Nike one up top. And $60, so $30 for these. Got more of those on the backside. And this entire wall right here, you get 75% off. You get 50, then 50 on top. And that includes these Mellow shirts right here. $10 for long sleeve Mellow Puma shirts right here, long sleeve shirts. And got a couple Under Armour, and then I was like, didn't I see? Oh, it's just a couple of those. My bad. I thought they had more. New Balance jacket right here. New Balance jacket right here. $125. You get 75 off of those. Still got the LeBron hoodie, Strive for Greatness. There's only a few of the black ones. Bossco did grab one of these bad boys. $115, 75 off. Bossco came here, I think this past week, and was able to scoop some stuff up for his Bobby Thrift channel. So make sure you guys check out Bobby Thrift. This is the women's section right here. Look at these dunks. These ain't bad. I don't think you get 50% off of these because random stuff, some of the random stuff here don't get 50% off. The workers here don't price them out. I don't really know who prices them out, but yeah, someone else does the pricing. And certain things not 50% off. I guarantee you this one isn't either. Certain Jordans, there's still a Jordan 11 low IE and a Jordan 2 that's not 50 off, but most of the other stuff is. Like these mids right here, I guarantee you these are 50% off, so 35 for these. Crater Impacts, I'm surprised to see these. Huaraches all white, going for 35. Pretty sure I forgot to mention this is the women's section that we've been looking at right here. This is where I found the Jordan 1. What was it? The Jordan 1. I forgot which one. So the light tan one, the one that we just saw at East LA. Found those for $40 here. Used points to get them for $20. Still got the NMDs right here. These bad boys go for $25. Still going for $25. I think this is the one I bought for my worker, right? I think it's this one. I think I bought her a size 8. And yeah, RSX, $25. RDBs, a couple of them go for 20 and 25. On feet, do got Air Max 2017s. Love the full length Air Max unit. Just a huge fan of that. And then it is surprisingly warm outside, so I did wear a tank top, wearing some Lakers Pro Standard pants that I did get. I don't know, I got it for hella cheap. I don't remember how much, but yeah, normally $100. I think, I want to say they were 70% off or something. Speaking of Pro Standard, still do have the Lakers Lakers long pants right here. The sweats, did I call them long pants? They're just called pants. But yeah, they do got sweats right here. These are going for $100. Do get an extra 75 off, so $25. Got a few sizes. Small. I saw large, extra large, mediums. Got some Antetokounmpo shirts right here. $50. I think these are just smalls, if I remember last time. Oh no, double XL, small and double XLs. 75% off of those. Still got a little Jordan table right here. These are size 12 women, so 10.5, 50 off. 50 off. Not too bad. Got these going for $100. These ain't too bad. These ain't too bad. I don't know. They look cheap, but they feel just like any other Jordan 2 leather. $50, dude. $50. $50 for these suede bad boys right here. Then got Lucas. What are these? One of the Max R's? Oh, the Stay Loyal 3s. And then, did I call that a Luca, by the way? Oh man, the Zion 3s right here. I guess I got a bunch of those. Coming back to the men's section, seeing if there's anything that I missed. I don't see anything brand new. 65 for these bad boys right here. The next gens, that's not bad at all. Oh, and they also got these Currys right here for $55. Trying to figure out what to get to wear with my Project Rock hoodie. Take a look at these Bryce Harpers one more time. Yeah, that glittery stuff. Yeah, I'm good on that. These look comfy though. They look comfy and they're only $27.50. With that glittery, yeah, I'm not wearing that. Great job, Bryce Harper. What the hell are you doing with all that glittery stuff? Okay. Some alien thing, is that why? Okay. Forum's going for $25. Maybe I got these. Maybe, did I get a size 7 men's for my worker? I don't remember. Still got the Mellows, AJKOs. I don't know if these are an extra 50 off. Definitely worth asking the employees. They need to scan them to check. More of the Mellows, the MB3s, got a couple of them. Packers colorway of the Terminators. Not 50 off. Not 50 off of these. $32.50 for the All Pros. These are pretty comfortable, dude. Pretty comfortable, pretty good cushioning for a basketball shoe. Omnis right here going for $40. That is definitely a steal. I don't know if these are 50 off. Sometimes the Dunks are, sometimes they're not. Like, stuff has been ringing up for 50 off on certain occasions. All white of the MB was the MB1s right here. That's not too bad. A couple more colorways of the MB3s right here. KDs down to 60. Also got these Ultra Boosts right here. Pretty clean for $60. All right, I think this is a little bit of a shorter video, but I gotta go. I gotta go pick up my kid from school. Dude, got some of the hustles right here. Got these pennies. These are all 50% off, but not crazy steals. Solid prices for 50 off. It's not insane. Like, I gotta get them right now. Did I say right now like 17 times? But yeah, I gotta go, you guys. Gotta go. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like the video. Check out the membership if you want to help your boy out with some gas. Only a couple dollars. Only a few dollars. But we out, man. We out. I thought these were a men's size 10. That's UK. Dang it. I was wondering if I should get these for my kiddo. I don't know if these are 50 off, but 50% off. I would have been good. I would have been good with $35. I would have paid $35 for that. But yeah, definitely a great place to get Crocs. Look at this, $15 for these. I did hear that once in a while, some of the Crocs won't ring up for 50 off, but $15. What the F is that? What's the price for these? What? $12.50, $10? Like, definitely one of my favorite places to buy Crocs. And then hats here as well, 50% off most of the hats. Got a viewer, Derek, subscriber. We've been talking for a few minutes. Look at this. They got more of these. And these are the ones that I did grab for, I think I posted $20, but it was a little YouTube fib. Yeah, I grabbed them for $40. I used points for them. But $40, and these are size, what, 11, right? 11, 9.5. This is the last one. They got a few additional size, I guess. But yeah, look at this, freaking $40. They just had these across the street for, what was it, like 65? Like, yeah, I think it was 110 and you get 40 off. So was that 65 or so? I don't know, something like that. But $40 here, $40 freaking dollars. And these two come with white laces. They're in here somewhere. If I remember, I'm gonna be all nosy. Let's see if it comes with them. But yeah, $40 for these. Holy cow, what a steal. $40, freaking crazy, holy cow. Appreciate you, Derek, for letting me show that. Foot Locker outlet out in East LA. If you guys need the address, check out the description. One of my favorite stores right now, man.